Hello everyone, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am in my A5 Sterling Ink Common Planner, and I will be using stickers this week from The Giving Girl. So I placed an order with The Giving Girl a couple of months ago, and included in that was a few Oops packages, which included sheets of Oops stickers. I can't even tell where the Oops are. Maybe the cut lines are a tiny bit off, but other than that, the stickers are perfectly usable. So I'm going to be using Cottage Core Girl, Mushroom Houses, and Flutter 4. I haven't actually decided which of these I'm going to use, or I'm just going to use a combination of them. But let's get started. So I am filming this at 8:24 on Sunday night, and I wasn't going to do this until tomorrow, but I thought, no, I just want to do it, get it done, and just have it done. And I think in the last couple of days, or even in the last week, I've noticed that I've kind of been putting off planning and journaling, and I don't really know why I've been doing that. And then I'll have to just sit down and catch up anywhere from 3 to 5 days worth of journaling in one session. And I think maybe I'm getting a bit overwhelmed with things happening in my day-to-day, that journaling, which would normally be something that would be self-care for me and therapeutic, isn't actually helping in terms of calming me down. So I've been okay with letting it go for a couple of days, but I need to get back into my routine of doing it so that it doesn't get so backlogged that I'm way more stressed out about it than I should be. So I'm pretty much caught up in my daily pages. I think I need to catch up in my 5-year journal by like 1 or 2 days, and then I think I'll be okay. Anyway, here we go. Just adding this washi. This is from the washi tape shop, and I have this roll, and I think I have 3 other rolls of this because I use this so much. Then thinking, do I stick to one sheet? Because these mushroom houses are also kind of featured in the Cottage Core. All the colors go really well together, so maybe I'll use a little bit of everything. If I put the girl down here, and I don't normally go with like character stickers for myself. Oh, I can see there, this sticker is gonna be a little hard to peel out. I don't normally go for character stickers for myself. Oh, yeah, because I don't know, it's just not normally me. Okay, let's try and peel this up without wrecking the sticker. There we go. Ooh, okay. Come on. There we go. I'm putting her in the corner here. I'm gonna actually have her hair come off. Oh, there goes my printer off to the side a bit. Let's grab my scissors and cut off a little bit of that excess. And there we go. Okay, not bad. Then maybe place one of these mushroom houses. I can actually place quite a few things down here, and I'm thinking I'm going to get some quotes from According to Allie. I think these would work really well. So I'll grab these. Then possibly, is there an alcohol ink that would work? I feel like there would be. Not those ones. Let's see. If you were interested in these sticker albums, these are from According to Allie, and I love them. Here are all of the alcohol inks. Not black. I feel like I need a contrasting alcohol ink. Ooh, that might be pretty. And red, mauve. I feel like it would blend in too much. Like if there was an orange, nope, I think that's all I have. This might work really well. I did have a, I felt like I had more. The red is a bit too much. Okay, well, maybe we'll take out this rose and put that all back in here. And move that to the side. Then maybe I could put this alcohol ink down here as well to go with these mushroom houses. Let's go with this one. And maybe place, okay, let's just lay these out so I know what I'm looking at. I'll lay a butterfly on here, like that, and then maybe one of these quotes. Oh, I feel like the beige one. No rain, no flowers. Although I feel like that's not necessarily the perfect quote for right now because it is snowing. It is snowing outside right now. We had lovely, lovely spring temperatures, and now it's like where I live, we could have winter until probably like May long weekend, Victoria Day. We could have snow that weekend, and it could be spring temperatures all up until that point, and then suddenly, bam, it's winter again. Oh, come on. Get a book sticker out. Oh, this is taking me longer than I'd like it to. I think this sticker, this sheet, I think the oops with it is that it just didn't cut all the way. I wonder if there is a way for me to just peel off the sticker paper. Hold on. Okay, so after some negotiation with this sticker paper, it was actually easier to remove the backing. But anyway, oh, there's Lucy whining underneath. Okay, I have to make sure that I have enough for, hey poppers, I have to make sure I have enough for my daily pages as well. So let's put one here. And then let's cut this one in half and put that over here. Okay. And then let's see. Let's put one of the cute mushroom houses here. That is really cute. And then a couple of butterflies on this side. And then I'm going to leave the rest of the stickers for my daily pages. Oop. Oh, there we go. Oh, that's pretty. Maybe put a few of the small leaves around there. And there. And one more. And then there. Perfect. My goal is to finish these 3 sticker sheets by the end of, well, by the time I finish decorating my daily pages. Then I can add, not this one. It's okay to not be okay. And then one more on this side. And then the Just Breathe seems like it's doable here. There we go. Perfect. All right, so let's put that away. Okay, so the pens I will be using are my Waterbin Karen in the amber, and this has Tatcha Ume Murasaki in it, and I love this combination. And then I also have my Atelier Luceau pen, which currently has Herbon Rouge d'encre in it, and I think both of these are gonna work really well with the overall scheme of this. Just putting away my, trying to clean as I go while I am planning. So sleep. My sleep scores have not been great this last week. I have been trying to do my, well, been mostly successful with doing my meditations before bed, but I think my sleep quality isn't that great. So I'm trying to get to bed maybe a little bit earlier. And then underneath that will be workouts. And I have been really good. I've been doing my weight training and the stepper workout. I love my stepper. That's the thing. Okay, is it upper body first? Yeah. No, it's lower. And then upper. My stepper, whoops, is my favorite thing. I do it actually while I'm watching YouTube videos, so it's kind of like it's my exercise and alone time all at once, and I just love it. And there we go. All right, so then we'll start with putting my work shifts in here. I'm trying to think, is there anything extremely special about this work week? Not really, other than the fact that my kids have teachers convention Thursday, Friday. So the kids are at home with me on Thursday and Friday. And my husband though is working from home on Friday because I have an appointment. So he needs to be at home with the kids. Okay, then I'm just gonna put my to-do here, which will be meal plan and order groceries. And then Tuesday, Thursday work shifts. I really like the combination of these two together. There we go. And it is my husband's birthday on the 29th of February. He is a leap year baby. So technically, it's his 11th birthday. How funny is that? We always tease him, like, you don't get a birthday this year. You're only technically this and this old. You're, oh, pick up. Oh, put out garbage. Pick up garbage. Oh boy, you can tell I'm tired. Put out garbage, pick up garbage. Well, we're gonna pick up the garbage around the house and then put it out. You know what I mean. I know what I mean. I know it's garbage day. Then, let's see, how many more of these do I have? I'm trying to be really good about working through all of my sticker sheets. So there's 10 weeks of this left. Okay, I am probably good until about April with those. Laundry, I am good for a while. And then regular cleaning stickers, I'm good as well. I'm really trying to use up what I have before I buy anything new, especially when it comes to icon stickers or even just using my own. And I went through a period in, I think maybe October, November, December, where I really wasn't using it much because I was leaving my planner pretty much blank. So, groceries. Here we go. Yeah, I was pretty much leaving my planner blank. I would fill it in or well, not fill it in, I would decorate and then not use it after. Pick up groceries. And then yeah, I just wouldn't use it. I think I got into a little bit of a funk with my planners for a while. Not sure why, but I did. And now I've gotten back into it and I'm really enjoying the process and how everything is going. So, okay, I need my appointments. I know I have a clock somewhere. I did have, oh, I must have used them all. Hold on. I found something. I found an icon here. I have an appointment first thing. Friday morning. Okay. Then after that, off to Weight Watchers, which is here. Sticker sheet finished. I do love when I finish a sticker sheet. I used the wrong pen. Dang. Oh well. And it's wicked. That's okay. Then let's see what I do, and I'm showing you this is totally not related, but what I do when I am done a sticker sheet is I take my date stamp, which is in French because I accidentally bought it in French, and then I put the date stamp at the back. It's gonna smudge, but that at least lets me know when I finish the sticker sheet, and then I can keep a tally for the end of the month, because I am now actually keeping a tally of sticker sheets that I've used. So I can put that one away. Then I don't know what the rest of the day is going to look like then, especially with the kids being home. And then the other plans for the rest of the weekend, not much. I do know I have to get some painting done in preparation for the Made in Canada Planner collab sale happening 2 weeks from then. So I have to make note of that. Then I have to, oh, where's Lucy going? Henry has Ninja on Sunday. And that's all we have for now. Ooh, I need to write down my habits down here. So my habits are listening to my audiobook. My goal now is to read 15 to 20 pages a day, meditate, and sticker sheets used. So this is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Okay, I am going to leave this spread as is because there are things that I am not fully aware of yet that's happening on the weekend, so I want to keep it blank. But also, I have really enjoyed being able to just fill it out as I go. There are certain things that definitely the time is not going to change, so they need to be in there, like appointments and things. But the way that I'm currently filling this out as a bit of a memory keeper, I'm really enjoying that process. And it kind of drives me nuts when I get to a place in the day and what I had originally planned to go there didn't happen and I have to switch things around. So I'm kind of leaving it open and blank for now so that I have the freedom and flexibility to be able to kind of put what I want as it happens, if that makes sense. So I think I am going to leave that as is, and that is it for me. So thank you all so much for watching this. It's been a very pretty decorate my planner with me. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and have yourselves a great day.